Hello everyone. In today's video, I will teach you how to fix Elevenlabs unusual activity detected. I will walk you through the steps to fix this issue and continue using the platform smoothly. So now let's get started. First, try logging out of your Elevenlabs account and then logging back in. This often resets minor glitches that might be triggering the error. Next, clear your browser's cache and cookies. All data stored in your browser can cause conflicts, leading to the unusual activity detected error. So after clearing, restart your browser and log back into Elevenlabs. But if the issue still persists, try accessing Elevenlabs from a different browser or device. Sometimes browser-specific issues can trigger activity detection alerts. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Elevenlabs support directly. Provide them with the details about the error and they will help you troubleshoot the problem. And that is how you fix the unusual activity detected error on Elevenlabs. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.